Example number 10. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. X dot reverse function. Take the print of X. You will get 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at here. I give the name X to this list. Then I use the reverse function here, X dot reverse. You just write X dot reverse and the two parentheses. This is the reverse function. Don't write anything inside the parentheses, because it is not something to add or insert or append any element to the list. If you remember last time, in the insert method and in append method, we were appending or inserting any element to the list. That's why whatever thing we were adding to the list, we were writing it inside the parentheses. But since it is just a simple reverse function, therefore you don't need to write anything inside the parentheses. Just type x dot reverse and the two parentheses. When you call the x variable, the x identifier, take the print of x, run the program, you will get everything in reverse order. Look at here, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. But in the output we got 3, 2, 1, 0. So all the elements of the given lists are in reverse form, in reverse order in the last output. By using the reverse function, that's what the reverse method does. It just changes all the elements in reverse order.